Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How can you create a static page for a category? Let's show you. Let me just check what search module we're using here. We're using the drop-down category search module. Now let's go to My Members, Member Category. I'm going to create a static page for subcategory 2. So I'm just copying that URL. Then if we go to My Content, Web Page Builder, go to Add New Web Page, place a URL into the box here, and on the right hand side we want to call it a member search result page. We're going to put member search cat 3 so that we know it's category 3. So that's just for our information. Let's create a title, Subcat 3, all about your business. So all about your business, Subcat 3. We're going to go to the hero section. We'll set one. We're going to add an image. We're just going to set a default image that's in place. We're going to change the padding in this section. We're going to cover 100% width, and we're going to send the text into the center. Because of the image that I've used, the black might be hard to see against that image. So I'm going to set the font to white. For both the main title and the subtitle. I'm going to set the main title to extra bold and leave the subtitle as it is. So that is basically it. In the page content, we'll just use a drag and drop element. So we'll just use some content blocks just to put in there, and we're going to save it. So that page is now saved as a member search result page for subcategory 2. Let's go and have a look. So if we go to subcategory 1, top level search, we can see how the page presents itself. Now let's go to subcategory 2 search. We can see now we've got a head banner, we've got our titles, our H1 and our H2 tag, and then down here we have our search results. Within the Read More tab, we can click and we can see the content elements that I've added. So that's how you can turn a member search result into a static page. If you don't want to use the Read More tab, just simply go back, use the right-hand sidebar, go to Page Options, and say that you want the text or the content to either appear above member results, below member results, above body content, or below body content. So we're going to click on above body content just so that you can see it, and refresh the page, and you'll see that this is the search result page, but we have some content above it. So that's how you add a static page to a search result page. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.